has been 13 weeks since my last upload. I'm always preaching consistency, but sometimes life happens and I wasn't able to push as much videos as I would have liked to. To be honest, I wasn't even sure where my camera was. I had to turn the place upside down just to find it the other day. When I found it, I realized that there was some footage on it that was not used. It was from an outing that I went on in January. No, it's from a trip that I went on in January. And firstly, I was to go on the trip with two friends, two females. Last minute, one of them cancelled, so that already changed my mood towards the day. I woke up the morning of the trip. I wasn't really in the vlogging mode. I said, alright, let's just go, see how it works out. Alright, get there. Remember, already I wasn't really in the mood to vlog. And then the bus was late. Waited for the bus. When the bus finally came, like an hour after it was supposed to come, to add insult to injury, we got lost. We didn't get lost one time, we got lost 3 times. So 3 times. Remember, somebody cancelled on me. I wasn't in the mood to vlog. The bus was late and then we got lost 3 times. At this point, I wasn't really interested in doing the vlog again, but we found our way there and I found motivation somehow. When we got there, the pictures of the place, it was totally different. So the pictures were misleading. So that brought my vibes further. So at this point, I was just like, yeah, whatever. I just captured a few things that were on the camera, so I'm just going to share that with you. So let's just take a trip back into the past. Back then I was a bit underwhelmed, but looking back now, the footage actually wasn't really that bad. By this time, we would have lost a large chunk of the day, so we opted to cancel one of the locations that we had planned, and we headed straight for the final location, which was the Salt River. Now this spot is extremely beautiful. The food was good, it was extremely cheap, and it's definitely somewhere I see myself going back to. Definitely. I didn't even go into the water at any other locations. at the Sanguinetti Falls or Salt River. Even though the water was so inviting, I still did not go in the water. Well, nice size fish that one.
Don't need it on a
That's true. Same thing with the footage.
You too stubborn and other guys.
Okay, good girl.
You don't trust me?
Come around. You have to bear in mind the prices. Okay? I can't hold a bit of this first. Now snap. Try the fish.
Go to come here.
Which one?
I forgot it with me.
Which one?
One that Google.
Where? Over this up? Ready you with your or Jose?
No, you should get it. You should do it on the first one. Last year.
That may say to you know. But you know them dead because I said put them in and say. The water nice and pretty, you know.
What's the people that live life? Is that expensive for them? Is that expensive to live life, you know?
It's not. It's not.
Come on. I thought people in the song are really very rich in their life.
Facts. I mentioned that.
I bet you want to take some time. I bet you want to take some time.
Food was cheap. I think the full plate came to about $700, including the chicken and fish along with the festival. So it was a really good deal. That was just sharing something with you guys. I'm back now. I'm going to be posting more often, especially during the summer here. My takeaway is, in the moment I was not motivated, but I still had the discipline to do something, to film something. And as a result, I have somewhat of a video to give you guys today. This can be applied to all facets of your life. A lot of times you might find yourself lacking in motivation. What is important is that you have the discipline to persevere. It could be in school, it could be your work, it could be fitness. This discipline is something that you need to incorporate into your daily life. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It's a bit different from what you normally get from me, but we're back to regular programming now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you guys for subscribing. Anyways guys, thank you guys for the support. Big up on yourself, Maroons, and remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. See you in the next video.
I'm gonna miss you, wait to see you go. Wish time could just go slow. Would truly take my heart, but it's only time apart. In no time we gon' be right back.